Welcome to ESL Factory, your ultimate solution for evaluating and tracking ESL students at all levels.
Today, we are going to learn how to prepare and print a midterm report for a student in ESL Factory. First, make sure that the checkbox to the right of the list of tabs is checked off. When the checkbox is checked off, it should read, "Click to remove sample data." If the checkbox is not checked off, the description will read, "Click to add sample data." To add sample data, simply click on the empty checkbox. Once you have done this, click on the tab labeled Step 6 Show Report Options. 3 more tabs will appear underneath. Click on the tab labeled Prepare/Print Midterms. A screen will appear that features several different fields to be filled in. To fill in these fields, you will first need to select an instructor. To do this, click on the down arrow box at the far right of the field labeled Select Instructor. Then, select Instructor Smith Sample Bill. Once you have done this, click on the down arrow box to the far right of the field labeled Select Class. Then, select Example Course 2, Start Date, Friday, July 15th, 2011. The names that appear underneath are the names of every student registered in the class. Today, we will make a report for John Doe at Level 4. To start, we will begin by clicking on John Doe. To input the number of lates and absences for John Doe, simply click on the empty boxes labeled Lates and Absences. We will input 2 in the Absences field and 1 in the Lates field. Once we have done this, it is time to input comments for the boxes labeled Listening Skills I Can Do and Listening Skills I Need to Work On. Above will appear a box labeled Listening Level 4. In this box, you can scroll down through different comments and copy and paste them into the box labeled Listening Skills I Can Do or Listening Skills I Need to Work On. For John Doe, we will copy the text for number 1 by holding the left part of the mouse over the text. Once the text has been highlighted, right-click on the text and left-click on Copy. Next, place the mouse cursor in the empty box labeled Listening Skills I Can Do, and right-click and select Paste. The comment should appear in the box and will be included as part of the report. Now, let's do the same for Listening Skills I Need to Work On. Scroll down the box of comments to comment number 4. We will copy the text by holding the left part of the mouse while scrolling over the text. Once the text has been highlighted, right-click on the text and left-click on Copy. Next, place the mouse cursor in the empty box labeled Listening Skills I Need to Work On, and right-click and select Paste. The comment should appear in the box and will also be included as part of the report. We will now follow the same process to fill in the boxes Speaking Skills I Can Do, Speaking Skills I Need to Work On, Reading Skills I Can Do, Reading Skills I Need to Work On, Writing Skills I Can Do, and Writing Skills I Need to Work On. Next, we will set a midterm report date for this class. To do this, click on Set a Midterm Report Date for this class. Once you have done this, a new screen will appear. To select a date, click on the calendar icon next to the box labeled Report Date for Midterm Reports. When you've done this, a calendar will appear, and you can set your date by simply clicking on the date you wish to use. We will use August 30th. Now, we are done setting our report date. To return to the previous screen, click on the tab labeled OK, close this form, and set the above date for all students in this class. Once the date has been set and all of the information has been filled in, you can preview this printed version of the report by clicking on Print/Preview Midterm Report. Once you do this, you will be taken to a preview of the printed version of the midterm report. If you are satisfied with the report and wish to print it, right-click on the screen and select Print. Then, you can select your printer and click Print. When you have printed enough copies, right-click on the preview and select Close. When you are done with the midterm report, click on Finished with this report to return to the main menu.
Thank you for using ESL Factory, your ultimate solution for evaluating, assessing, and tracking ESL students at all levels.